YouTube family and friends. My name is Milo and welcome to Philippine Islands Adventure. Today I'm going to show you how to cook salmon. This is for our dinner, Easter dinner. This is what I'm going to cook. It says fresh farmed Atlantic salmon fillet, okay? First off, I'm going to turn on the oven, bake, and I'm going to turn it on to 425. It won't take me long to get all the stuff ready to go, okay? So I'm going to cut up tomatoes, onions, garlic, jalapenos, and I'm going to show you. So I think this pan right here is big enough, so this is what I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to show you the ingredients. I just finished cutting them. That onions is really strong. Oh my God, my eyes is like teary eyes now. So I'm going to show you what I have. So I have a red bell pepper. I'm going to use half of it. So it's cut up. And here's the garlic. I don't peel the garlic. I just chop them all up and throw them in there. And then I have the Roma tomatoes. You can use any type of tomatoes. I'm going to use 2 of them, okay? Ooh, I need to cut that one. So that's 2 Roma tomatoes, which is all cut up. See that? And then the jalapeno peppers. I took the seeds out so that it's not so hot. And here's the red onions that I'm going to use. And I'm using half of the medium red onions. So it's already chopped up right here. And then I'm going to use the a little bit sprinkle of seasoning salt. This is the salt that I use right here. I sprinkle this over the fish before I put them in a pan. I'm going to rub the butter inside the pan right here. See, there you go, butter. That way the fish doesn't stick to it when I bake them, okay? Okay, it's done. So then I'm going to sprinkle salt, a little bit of salt on the fish right here. So fresh. I'm going to put it in here in the pan. There you go. And then I'm going to put my garlic over it. And then my onions. Here's the onions. And then my jalapenos. Remember, make sure you take the seeds out because it's going to be really hot. And then my red bell peppers. You hear that beep? That means the oven is ready to go. Tomatoes. Fish. So I'm going to leave it there for 45 minutes. Some people will probably cook it like 20-30 minutes. I don't do that. I would rather get it all cooked and done, you know. That's because it's safer that way. So we went to the store today too, so look what we have. Grapes. We got a lot of them, see? Sweet. So I'm getting ready to prepare the mushrooms. I'm going to fry them in olive oil with tempura right here. I'm going to coat the mushroom and then fry it. This one is pretty cool though. It says 0 cholesterol, no fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, a little bit of sodium and a little bit of carbohydrates. And there are protein in there too. So 2 grams of protein if you use the whole box. But anyway, so this is a tempura mix. I'm going to make it. So let's check the fish, okay? Here's the fish right here. Smells really good. You should smell the whole house. Just smells awesome here. And it looks really, really good. And we can have, there's only 3 of us here, my dad, my husband, and I. So we're going to have a big meal. But anyway, we're going to keep the rest of them in the refrigerator and we can... So I'm gonna add a little bit of chopped onions to the batter. I'm gonna add it in here. I'm just gonna put a little bit at a time. A little bit too much of water. So what I'll do, I'll get some more of that tempura mix. So I put a lot of water in there. There's the tempura mix. I'm gonna add some more because I put a lot of water in there. It's too runny. But that's all right. There you go. Put it back here and put it back in the pantry. Actually, I'm going to use the bigger pan right there so that, ow, that's hot. So that I can fry a bunch of them at one time. Mushroom doesn't take that long to cook. I'm going to turn it on. There you go. And I'm going to get my olive oil. There's my pantry. My olive oil. I'm going to put about a cup of olive oil in there. Yeah. Okay, the fish is done. So I'm going to turn it down to 150 Fahrenheit while I'm cooking the mushroom, okay? Okay, 170. It doesn't go all the way down to 150. And my oil is getting hot. We'll see. Yeah, so it's ready. There you go. See, it's coming right here. I'm trying to get all the onions with the batter. Now that's done. Wash. You gotta take this middle out because they are bitter, extremely bitter. Peppers are really good too. So. No celery, but I have some of these. It's I think this is organic sugar snap peas. I'm gonna put the salad dressing in the salad because it gets really saggy the next day. So just each one of us is just gonna get our own salad dressing for our salad. Here's the green onions, tiny. My husband just eat it like that. See, that's what he eats it like that. I'm gonna make a bowl right here, and see that? application, no special cutting. Just cut it so it's not so big when you bite them. Is it burned? Okay, that's done. Salad is done. So this is our salad, right? Okay, you guys, so it's dinner time for us. This is our Easter dinner. We're gonna do it on Saturday instead of Sunday. And this is our dining room, and as you can tell, while we're eating, we're enjoying the orchids. How cool is that? So anyway, this is our dinner. So here's the fish. Remember this one? It is just right. Look at that. It's not even burned. Here's the fried mushrooms, grapes, and we have the brown, the red rice right here. And my dad have chicken because I bought him rotisserie chicken from Costco, so he wants to eat some of that. And this is our salad right here. And here's the salad dressing. Alright, so we're ready to eat. And thank you for watching, and I hope that you like the video. Please subscribe or comments and click likes. And have a great day. Have an Easter Sunday or Easter holiday, or yeah, have fun, enjoy, and take care. Love you guys. Life is too short. Enjoy every moment of it. All right? Thank you. Love you guys. God bless.